Metro, yo Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can't knock on your door, baby, let me in.
Hey y'all, it's Yummy Yum, and today we are collabing with Sangtok Hair. They sent me their 45-inch triangle butterfly locks wig, y'all. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, I'm just doing my ball cap, and y'all, I just kept messing up with this wig install. I think really honestly it's just because I already knew I wasn't really gonna like it, just because I didn't like the lace on the wig. But come on now, I could have at least let the cap dry. Like, girl, what is you doing? But y'all, I promise my next few like installs and stuff you guys see on my next videos are gonna be A1. Like, but I really just don't like this lace. But anyways, y'all, this is the wig, and now what I can say is that they definitely slayed on the locks. The locks is giving, y'all. Like, get into them.
Better than the rolling two-tone like the president, and it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
Right here, y'all, I'm just cutting up the lace just so that it can fit between my ears, you know, so that it can be comfortable. And whenever you're installing a braided wig, it's just a little different because you got to cut between the parts when you do it. That's a little T. So y'all, I'm using the Bella brand glue, and I'm just gonna do 2 layers. I normally only do 1, but somebody please tell me why I did 2, knowing I'm finna take this wig off. But y'all, when using this glue, make sure you put just a small amount because this glue is really like runny. And yeah, so this is my second layer, y'all. Just doing stuff. I ain't even got no business doing no second layer, but yeah, we gonna just smooth it out and wait for it to turn clear. Do not put that glue down if you see that white. Now we just gonna look around, look a little bit slow until we let that glue dry. Now that it's dry, we're gonna pull our lace down to where the glue stops. And as you guys can see, this lace is really, really brown. You can't really see it for real on camera, but I'm pretty sure you can kind of tell it's darker than my skin just because this is the light brown lace. I haven't worked with this lace in a minute, like literally. But now I'm just gonna pull those baby hairs down just like that. And then we're gonna take our elastic band and we're just gonna tie our lace down just to give it a little melt. But if you are a darker skin girl, this lace would be perfect for you. I am just a hot mess. That's what I am, a fucking hot mess. But anyways, if you are a darker skin girl, this lace would literally be perfect for you. I am a brown skin girl. This lace could have worked a little bit. If it was just if it was a tad bit lighter, it could have like really, really worked for me. But no, it's too brown. Like, it's not, no. I love to work with transparent laces or HD laces. Those are the best laces on the market. I don't remember like when the medium brown laces came out, but that was like years ago. Like when I first started doing hair, like 6 years ago. Like, come on now, Sangtok, let's update the quality. So after I get through cutting this lace off, I'm just going to go in and glue down the pieces that need to be glued down. And then we're going to add some makeup. And I usually go light on the makeup, but with this lace, honey, I need all the makeup I can get so I can cover it up. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull out the baby hairs. And y'all, this is another problem I had with this wig. The hairs on this wig are synthetic. I need human hair. I cannot stress that enough. But we're gonna go in with our spritz and we're just gonna tie it down for a second time, just, you know, for that second little melt. And y'all, I was thinking about doing a half up, half down. As you guys can see, I was playing around with it or whatever. But I really, really love the length and the butterfly locks themselves. But y'all, get into them parts. They too fucking wide. They are too wide. Oh my God. But I really, really love the locks. It's like, I hated the lace and the hairs, but I love the locks. It's like, why can't it just be perfect? Y'all need to work on them parts. Okay, so the half up, half down was a no. So we're just gonna cut that out and let's unwrap this band and get into this baby hair. Now, y'all, this is where y'all gonna see where I hated the baby hair. When I'm curling them, look how they just go straight back flat. Oh my God, like they just was not gonna be cute from the start. Like I just knew it just wasn't gonna be cute. Like, no. Oh my God. I really, really love being able to curl my baby hairs because it makes it so much easier to swoop them in place. They be already curled, but this, y'all, and then they just wouldn't stay. Like, y'all, please forgive me for this fail. But hey, I put this stuff out here so you guys can laugh at it, because I'm laughing. I wasn't laughing then, but I'm laughing now. It's funny.
Mama, man, look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in time.
And y'all, this is what I came up with. Don't laugh at me too hard and don't go in on me too hard. But y'all, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl is going crazy all 2024. This is my year and it's Capricorn season, so I'm definitely doing my big one. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Smile, baby, come and get a piece of mine.